see what's going on the TV right now. Hold on. Who the hell calling his phone? He just come from work. Answer it. No, never answer his phone. Who keep on calling? You know what? Let me wake him up. I'm not gonna wake him up. He's tired. Oh no. Answer it. That is gotta be an emergency. Hello? Who you calling, bitch? Hold up. Let me give him the phone. Hold up 1 minute. Let me give him the phone. This bitch don't know me. Hold on. You don't know me. Hold on. Since your mom didn't raise you right, open up your mouth. This bitch don't know me. This bitch mouth is dirty. This bitch mouth is dirty. You don't know me, bitch. You don't know me. This your mother never teach you no manners, bitch. I bet you get manners now. I bet you have manners now, bitch. I bet you have manners now. Babe. What happened? What happened? What happened? Babe, after your phone is ringing, right? Your phone keep on ringing. And I'm like, okay, let me answer the phone, right? A girl gonna be like, bitch, give my man the phone. Huh? Babe, he don't know. She don't know. She don't know. Okay? So, yes, where you mash up my phone for? Oh. Sorry, babe. But that bitch get me mad. That bitch get me mad, babe. Sorry. So, babe, that means I have to mash up my phone. But as I said that phone is to mash up for me, you know? Babe, yeah. Jesus Christ, babe. Babe, I'm a co-worker.